Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi delivered the inaugural address at the conclave on transformational reforms in higher education under the National Education Policy or NEP. The conclave was organized by the Human Resource Development Ministry and the University Grants Commission. The NEP, approved by the cabinet at a meeting presided by PM Modi, replaces the 34-year-old national policy on education and is aimed at paving the way for transformational reforms in the schools and higher education system. So let's have a look at the top 5 quotes from the PM Modi's address. Number 1. It's heartening that the national education policy hasn't raised concern on bias. Every country reforms its education system according to its national values and goals. The end goal is to make sure its youth is future ready. Second one is, till date we have been focusing on what to think in our education policy. In the new education policy, we are focusing on how to think. There is an avalanche of information in the digital era, and thus we have tried to filter out what's not needed. How can our youth think critically and innovate unless we ensure a purpose in the education system, unless they can be passionate? The 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure moving forward from 10 plus 2 structure is a step in this direction. In the third point, he states that National Education Policy will set the foundation for 21st century in India. We have given extra impetus to this National Education Policy for ensuring that it makes Indian more empowered and easily attractive to opportunities. We are moving to an era where an individual will not be stuck to a single profession in all his life. Thus, he will continuously need to re-skills and up-skills himself. We have kept this in contention while formulating the National Education Policy. In his fourth point, he used to remember the Missile Man of India and stated, Dr. Kalam used to say, the purpose of education is to make good human beings with skills and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Changes in the education policy is a major way to provide the nation better students, professionals and better human beings. Fifth point is, after years of extensive research and consultation, the National Education Policy has been launched. It has been widely discussed across the country. People from different walks of life are participating in the healthy debate on the same. So, what are your views on the new education policy? Please share with us in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.